So guys, today I'm going to be making chicken curry. So I've got 3 medium-sized onions. I've got garlic and ginger. I've got this is garlic and ginger, fresh garlic and ginger, which I've grinded up in the a blender. So I've got 6 green chilies here, and I've got a tin tomato, which I'm only going to use half of. So I'm just going to chop the onions, and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so to this pot I'm going to add in some oil. So I've got some vegetable oil here. So I'm just gonna add, so put like that much in. It looks a lot on camera, it's actually really not. It's about less than half a cup. Just gonna let the oil heat up in there. And then I have my onions. So I've just chopped my onions thinly, finely in like little pieces, and I'm just gonna add those in. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let these brown a bit, and I'm gonna just add some salt to it. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. So I have about a tablespoon of salt. Just gonna add that into it, and stir it in. So I'm just gonna let the onions get a bit brown in color, and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, now that it's got slight brown color, I'm just gonna add in the green chilies and the garlic and ginger. So I've just chopped up the green chilies. Let me show you again. Just chopped them up quite small. Just add those in. Stir it around. Okay guys, at this point, when it's looking like that, slightly darker brown, not burnt brown, just a bit like caramelized onions, you would want to add in your tin tomato. So I'm just going to put the fire low. I'm just going to add in, just going to add in the tin tomato. So I've added half a can in. And now I'm just going to add my masalas to this. So it looks like that. I'm going to add my masalas to this now. So I've got my masala box here. So guys, I've got 1 tablespoon of paprika here. I'm going to add that in. This is my mom's mixed masala, a tablespoon of that. And then I'm going to add some red chili flakes. So red chili flakes, I've got half a tablespoon. So obviously you want to add salt and chilies according to your own taste. This is whole garam masala, which I've just grinded up, brought it home and grinded. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of that in. It's basically got cumin seeds, coriander seeds, a bit of cinnamon, some black peppercorns, and that's it. I think that's all it has in there. It has bay leaves, but I took the bay leaves out, and ginger. I took the dry ginger out of it as well. So I'm just going to add half a tablespoon of that in. I add in half a tablespoon of haldi, which is turmeric. Now that that's all in, I'm just going to give it a mix. just going to drop a bit of water into it and let the masala and all of this cook down a bit. Guys, this has been simmering for the past 5 minutes, and it seems like all the spices and everything have mixed together nicely and cooked nicely. So if you want to see this thick consistency, to this I'm going to add the baby chicken. So this is a baby chicken, and I'm going to add that in. Start mixing it in. So basically you just want to cook the chicken in the all this masala and the spices. Okay guys, once all the water has gone and you still want to cook the chicken a bit more, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water to it so it doesn't get burnt. I must continue stirring it. I mean, at this point you can add potatoes in if you want. Potatoes, peas, whatever you want, you can add it in at this point. So as I cook it now, I'm just going to keep adding water into it as I go along. I've got dried methi leaves here. I don't know what it's called in English, but I'll insert it on the screen. I've just got about 3 pinches of that, and this is optional. You don't need to add it in, but I just like the look of it, like a greenery in the curry. So I'm just going to add a bit of that in. And from here on, it's totally up to you if you want to leave it dry and have it like a grai style, or if you want to add water to it and have it like a proper curry with, I don't know, maybe some boiled rice or chapati or whatever you want to have it with. But from here on, like, it's totally cooked through now. So if you were just to add some curry, turn the fire off, add some fresh coriander on top of it and just left it as it is, it'd be okay to eat as a grai with no water in there. But with me, I'm just going to add some water to it because I want it to be like a curry, because I'm boiling rice with it, so I don't want it to be too dry. So I'm just boiling the kettle of water, and I'm going to just put that in there. But look, it's totally cooked through now. You can leave it as it is. Add some nice green coriander, like fresh coriander over it, chopped finely, and you're good to go. I'm just going to put some water into it and make it like a runny curry. Just put some water in the kettle and just gonna pour it in. So I've just put water into it, and I'm gonna give it a mix, and I'm just gonna let it simmer on low fire for a bit, about like 5 minutes, and then it's done. I'm just gonna add some fresh coriander to it, and then it's ready to serve. So I'll see you in a little while. And my camera's flashing red, so I'll record the rest on my phone. Phone camera. So that's the curry done, and I've done the rice as well. So that's what it looks like, and I'll just plate it all up, and I'll show you all. God, these kids, man. So guys, I've got plated up my rice. Show you, it's nice and thick, so you want the gravy to be nice and thick. Just add some salad to it.